We all know and love the Edifier brand, and we've also looked at many Edifier earbuds on our channel before. Today we're taking a look at what happens when Edifier swaps out their dynamic drivers with a Balance Armature Driver in one of their flagships earphones. If you have the budget to get one of these earbuds, you definitely need to check them out. Welcome to a review of the Edifier TWS6. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Edifier TWS6. It's amazing to see how companies are being able to fit modern, impressive technologies into a package this small. I'm really excited that Edifier Malaysia reached out to me to try out one of their flagship earphones. But although this was sent to me, I will still be providing my honest reviews as always. These earbuds retails in Malaysia for roughly about 449 Malaysia ringgit, and that is about US 120. It's good to know that when you're paying good money for these earbuds, they definitely don't disappoint. I'll leave my links in the description below, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, you can check out some of the latest prices there. But all in all, it's not all a bed of roses and no earbuds are perfect, so let's dive deeper into the review and check out these earbuds. And if you want to skip to any specific parts of this video, do check out my timestamps in the description below. I usually don't talk too much about the box that the earbuds come in, but I just want to acknowledge how much effort Edifier have put into designing these earbuds that even the box gives you a truly premium feel when you open them. Inside, Edifier gives you a bunch of ear tips to fit any ear sizes. Since Edifier is serious about delivering professional sounding earbuds with the Knowles BA drivers, they've even included foam tips to ensure you get the best seal around. And for those of us that wants extra security in our earbuds, Edifier also provides you with a whole bunch of wing tips so that the earbuds can stay in your ears. But they are one of the most difficult things you have to put on these earbuds, but once you can finally get the right size and the wings just holds onto your ears very nicely. Taking out the earbuds from the box, the first thing that I notice is how slim and small this entire earbuds case looks like. Looking at photos on the internet doesn't do this justice and even come close to show how small this case really is. The entire case is very minimal and there is a Edifier branding at the top of the case. The entire case is made out of a same glossy plastic as the TWS1 is made of, and it does scratch and smudge very easily. So one thing that I've learned over time, and if you're getting a glossy earbuds, definitely opt for the white color ones so that fingerprints are not so obvious overall. At the bottom of the case, you will see a USB-C charge port at the and it's definitely a very nice touch there. But it's very frustrating to see how much Edifier will have to charge you before they actually give you USB Type-C. Next to the Type-C charge port is a tiny, very subtle LED indicator, pulses ever so slightly and doesn't annoy you in any way. Speaking of LED indicator, this case also features a Qi certified wireless charging case, but to charge it wirelessly, you have to put the case face down to start charging and you see the LED indicator pulse. The earbud sits very nicely in the case and is very gracefully held on by magnets. The earbuds are really tiny and it's the polar opposite compared to the gigantic TWS5. Where the TWS5 is made for larger ears, ladies with smaller ears now can enjoy the TWS6 with no worries. Overall, the earbuds would give you an 8 hours playback time, and the case provides you with an additional 24 hours of playback, giving you a total of 32 hours of total playback time, and the case charges up in a decent 1.5 hours. So moving on to the features of these earbuds, Edifier definitely packed some great features in here. The earbuds is fitted with the latest Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0, which also supports apex codec for low latency, stable connection for your listening experience. The earbuds are also rated to be IP55, dust and water resistant, and should definitely withstand dust, sweat, and even light rain. Since these are not rated to be swimming earbuds, so please don't bring them swimming. So connecting the Edifier TWS6 to your phone is a very simple process. So all you gotta do is open up the case and it should activate the earbud. So what you're gonna do next is press on the button at the back that puts it into pairing mode. So let's go ahead and press that. You should see the earbuds start flashing very quickly on the earbuds, and what you're gonna do is click on scan on your phone and you should be able to detect Edifier TWS6. So click on either side of the earbuds and it should ask you for confirmation. Click on OK and you are now connected to your Edifier TWS6. And in order to use it in stereo mode, or you want to use it in mono mode, you got to connect both sides of the earbuds to your phone. So that's how you connect your Edifier TWS6 to your mobile phone. So let's get to the interesting part of these earbuds, the sound quality. The sound quality is why anyone should really buy the TWS6. The TWS5 was a great sounding, heavy thumping earbuds that offers bass hits a lot of oomph. In contrast, you can think the TWS6 as a polished, well-refined version of the TWS5. The Balance Armature Driver gives the overall earbuds a very natural, balanced sound signature that doesn't rob the mids and highs from the bass. Everything sounds very natural and crispy with just a sufficient amount of bass kick. I tried listening to music with different instrument separation and everything comes through nice and clearly, and you can definitely tell the direction of where all the instruments are coming from. Just the sound signature alone in these earbuds is really good enough reason for you to want to pick up one of these earbuds. In terms of the call quality, the TWS6 performs really well in this department. With Qualcomm CVC technology, these earbuds suppresses ambient noise very nicely, and when using them outdoors, your voice does come through crisp and clear. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a call quality test of the Edifier TWS6, and with Qualcomm CVC technology, these earbuds definitely gives you very clear call quality overall. So what I'm going to do next is to play a simulated background sound. So here we go. And now there is a simulated background sound, and you can kind of hear my voice is still coming through very nice and clear. And so definitely this is a call quality test of the Edifier TWS6.
With Bluetooth 5.0, apex codec, these earbuds have very good latency performance and performs really well when watching videos such as YouTube or Netflix. However, it still doesn't quite hold up with gaming, and there is still a noticeable delay when playing games such as PUBG or COD Mobile. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a video to test whether or not the Edifier TWS6 actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap onto the microphone and you should be able to tell, so here we go. And with that you should be able to tell whether or not the Edifier TWS6 have a latency problem. And if there is something for me to pick on of the Edifier TWS6, and it definitely will be Edifier's control scheme. The earbuds only allow you to play or pause media as well as call out your assistant, and for any other controls you need to pull out your phone to do that. You can't even skip tracks forward or backwards on these earbuds. We really hope Edifier improves on this in their newer earbuds in the future, and that will really give them a strong position in the market. So in order to play or pause your media, all you gotta do is double tap on your right side of the earbuds like this, and it will play or pause your media. And to call out your assistant, double tap on the left earbuds, it'll pull out your assistant. So basically that's all the controls that's available on the TWS6. Overall, if you can get past the hilarious control schemes and just want to sit back, relax and enjoy some high quality tunes, then this earbuds is definitely for you. Would I recommend it? Maybe. Definitely check this out if you're looking for high quality earphones. Else, I'll definitely recommend you to check out the Edifier TWS&B that has noise cancellation for almost the same money. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.